Hey everybody, welcome to our weekend check-in video for PSY-5 Social Psychology for Saturday, July 22nd. Like I always do, just going to go over a few reminders, clarifications, any kind of remarks I think will help you do well in the course. So let's get started. First up here, your literature review paper. The final deadline for that, the late deadline submission, was last evening, Friday at 11:59 p.m. So most of you got your papers in, so I was pleased to see that. If you didn't, the deadline is passed, so it's too late for that. I will be posting feedback soon, so keep an eye out for an announcement on Canvas, and you'll also get your score that pops into the Canvas gradebook. But as far as taking a look at any feedback I posted, the specifics of that, please do follow the instructions you'll find in the announcement, because you will have to go to the Turnitin platform to see that feedback. Next up here is that the Unit 4 exam, which covers chapters 9, 10, and 11, that is due today on the 22nd. Don't forget, you've got that study guide there at the bottom of Unit 4 to help you prepare, so do pay careful attention, especially to those two areas on the study guide that are italicized with some asterisks around it. That's going to be the content, as you know by now, I'm sure, that your two short answer essay questions are based on. So do prepare that well, and per the instructions for the exams you'll find on Canvas, and when you read the announcements for the course there too, do be careful that you don't copy and paste information from the textbook. Be careful not to just copy and paste information from some psychology-related website you find online, nor use an AI generator, because I'll know if you do those things and it'll cost you points and maybe get you into some trouble depending on what was done exactly. So please be careful that you submit your own original work, that you put things in your own words, and it's really not that hard to do that. I'm not asking you to write me a book. I just need you to answer the question short and sweet, and when you've done that, you're done. You don't have to write pages and pages to answer those essay questions. Next up here is at Unit 5, our last unit, opened up yesterday, Friday. It covers those three chapters, 12, 13, and 14. I can see some of you have already submitted some of the discussion boards for that. Certainly a work ahead as you would like there. And just to kind of give you a heads up on the due dates here, the discussion and quizzes for chapter 12 are due tomorrow on Sunday the 23rd. Don't forget the discussion is due earlier at 9 p.m. The quiz is due later at 11:59 p.m. The chapter 13 quiz and discussion is due Tuesday the 25th. The chapter 14 quiz and discussion is due Thursday the 27th. The inquisitive assignments are due this coming Thursday, also the 27th, by 11:59 p.m. And the upcoming Unit 5 exam is going to be available Wednesday through Friday next week, the 26th through the 28th there. So do keep that in mind there. There's a bit of overlap this time just because of the time constraints we have. This semester officially ends on Friday, so I cannot have the exam dates push out to Saturday or Sunday like I would normally do to give you those 3 days. So I had to use the last 3 days of the semester to actually do that. So that creates a bit of overlap there, which I know you're not accustomed to. But please keep in mind that with those due dates there on your quizzes and discussions there and your inquisitive assignments, you get a little bit more time to actually do them. Even after the exams open, so do keep that in mind. So do be careful to check those due dates with that. And other than that, that's and by the way, the final exam is not comprehensive. It's not cumulative. Almost forgot to say this because I know people wonder. It's not comprehensive. It's not cumulative. It's just over these last three chapters, 12, 13, and 14. So for all intents and purposes, it's just like the other 4 exams you've already taken. So no worries about that. I don't believe in monster final exams, so that's why I don't give them. So alright, that's everything I wanted to say. If you need anything in the meantime, reach out via email on Canvas and I'll get back to you. We will have our live session this coming Monday at 1 p.m. Remember, those live sessions are basically just open office hours, so if you got any kind of concern or question you want to ask a live version of me about, I will be there just doing my work, and if somebody pops into the Zoom room there, I'll go ahead and address their concerns. So otherwise, thank you for watching. I will be here again next weekend. In the meantime, please watch those lecture videos. They'll really help you out, especially these last 3 chapters. Some really cool stuff, especially on aggression and altruism. So I would hope you want to hear what I have to say about those things. All right, take care, stay cool, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.